are seated. This aircraft is equipped with 8 emergency exits. There are 2 forward exit doors, 4 over the wing window exits, and 2 exit doors and back signs overhead. Track lighting on the floor will lead you to those exits. In that seat back or literature pocket, you'll find a safety information card. Please take it out and take a look at it. Take note in the event of a water evacuation, a life vest may be located underneath your seat. Remove that life vest only if told to do so by pulling the red strap to open the container. Remove the pouch, remove the vest, place the vest over your head. Wrap that black strap around your waist, buckle it in front, and hold it tight. Once outside of the aircraft, and only outside of the aircraft, pull down sharply on the red tab to inflate the vest and free overachievers flowing to the red tube of your shoulder. Flight attendants are now passing through the cabin at this time to ensure that your seatbelts are visibly fastened. Seatback tray tables are in their full upright locked and most uncomfortable position, and all carry-on items are properly stowed in an overhead bin or completely underneath the seat in front of you, leaving absolutely no room for your legs, feet, or knees. Smoking, including the use of electronic cigarettes, is never allowed on board. Federal law does prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory. Ladies and gentlemen, it is only 2 hours and 5 minutes. If you cannot make it that long without a cigarette today, please feel free to use our smoking section on the wing. If you can light them, you can smoke them. Federal aviation regulations do require all passenger compliance with lighted passenger information signs, posted placards, and most importantly, crew member instructions, including information on smoking and seatbelt. And last but not least, although we never anticipate a change in cabin pressure, if we had, we'd not shown up for work tonight, but if needed, 4 yellow oxygen mask will fall from the compartment up above. To activate the flow of oxygen, pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended, placing it over your nose and mouth, and breathe normally. You can secure that mask with the elastic straps, and although oxygen will be flowing, the bag may not inflate. Continue to wear that mask until otherwise advised by you before a crew member. If you're traveling with children this evening, someone needing special assistance, or someone just acting like a child, make sure you place your mask on first and assist that member needing special assistance or that child. If you're traveling with more than one child tonight, I'm sorry. Moms and dads, and joking, I'll advise you to pick the one that you think has the best earning potential, put you in the nicest retirement home. That's it for the do's and don'ts. Please do the do's, don't do the don'ts. Sit back, relax, enjoy your 2-hour, 4-minute, 60-second flight, wheels up to wheels down into Houston Hobby, or you can sit upright and be uptight. For those of you who are actually listening and paying attention to us, we do thank you. For the rest of you, we wish you good luck. Double check those seatbelts, ladies and gentlemen. We've been cleared for departure. Enjoy your flight. We're going to go ahead and dim the cabin lights here for takeoff. This is going to help cool the cabin down a little bit faster. If we could get everyone to open those air vents, we'd appreciate that. Once we get going, it will cool down. If you do need additional reading light, please reach up above your head, push the picture up on the light bulb.